Hey there guys, it's your boy Lil K and I'm back with another video for y'all today. Okay, it's gonna be a quick simple video. Okay guys, you already know what's going down. I'm gonna show y'all how to install 1.16, okay, for Minecraft. So you want to click the first link in the description. That will show you exactly where to download it. Want to sign up with an account. Okay, you just want to sign in your account. It's looking dope, but there's just one downside. Okay, you cannot use your own skin. Okay, you're gonna use a default skin, but so then you get to the screen. Okay, there. Okay, y'all see. Okay, you'll see what's going on. You get in with your account. Okay, then you want to go to your settings, show snapshots, press save, and then click the latest snapshot. You want to download. Okay, and enter game. Okay, and I'm gonna just make this run. Okay, as y'all see, it won't actually do it unless it has the TL. Okay, it's okay. And then we just wait for it to load up. Make sure to go subscribe to my boys to rescue channel. Okay, and my little sister's channel. Link in the descriptions. Okay, and then yeah, man. Basically, what you want to do is like and subscribe. Click that notification bell to get notified when we upload videos just like this. Okay, now you go see it's gonna be looking different. Okay, it's gonna be looking different. All right. It is looking amazing. Okay, it is looking dope. Just show y'all. Okay, let me just show y'all this actually works before y'all think this is clickbait. Alright, as y'all see, it has been done. Minecraft Java Edition 1.60. Hopefully y'all actually did find this video helpful. Okay, don't worry if you want to know how to download it for real. Okay, another tutorial link in the description and will also be in the preview. Once again, your boy Lil K9 signing